Picture this. As you're about to drift off to sleep, you repeat two specific words quietly to yourself. It sounds simple, but the impact can be profound. Many of us have dreams and aspirations, yet navigating the path to achieving them can be challenging. This practice of focusing on just two words before sleep serves as a guiding light, helping us align our spiritual intentions with our practical goals. Hard work is undoubtedly important, but there's more to success than sheer effort. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract abundance and fulfillment, while others face constant struggle? It's not just about the work we put in. It's also about ensuring our thoughts and actions are in harmony with our deepest desires. When we align our spiritual aspirations with our everyday pursuits, we tap into a powerful synergy that propels us forward with greater ease and effectiveness. It's like building a bridge between our inner beliefs and the tangible outcomes we wish to manifest. By incorporating this simple practice into our nightly routine, we begin to witness a shift in how we approach our goals. Each repetition of those two words before sleep becomes a ritual, a deliberate act of setting our intentions and inviting our dreams to unfold. As we cultivate this alignment between our spiritual and earthly selves, we find ourselves moving closer towards realizing our aspirations, with the universe seemingly conspiring to support our journey. Let's delve deeper into those moments just before sleep, when the mind is at its most open and receptive. It's a unique time when our subconscious is particularly susceptible to suggestions, almost like a sponge soaking up whatever thoughts we immerse it in. This is why our pre-sleep thoughts often seep into our dreams, shaping the landscapes of our nighttime adventures. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, these precious moments offer a sanctuary, chance to pause, reflect, and realign our thoughts with our deepest desires and ambitions. Reflect on this. Each of us harbors within us the seeds of greatness, yet societal norms and conditioning often overshadow this potential. We're taught to believe in scarcity and struggle as if they're the unavoidable constants of life. But the truth is far more empowering. We have the ability to reshape our reality by reshaping our thoughts. Our dreams aren't predetermined by some external force. Rather, they're sculpted by our beliefs, perceptions, and actions. Consider the incredible resilience of the human body, constantly renewing and regenerating itself. If our physical form can undergo such profound transformation, why do we accept illness, scarcity, and hardship as inevitable? The key lies in our mindset. Metaphysical and quantum principles have long explored the profound impact of thought on shaping our reality. It's time to tap into this wisdom, reprogram our subconscious, and unlock the door to abundance and fulfillment. You've likely been conditioned to expect challenges, setbacks, and failures as part and parcel of life's journey. But what if you could rewrite that narrative? By reprogramming your mind and shedding limiting beliefs, you pave the way for a world of limitless possibilities. Your subconscious mind holds the key to unlocking abundance, prosperity, and meaningful relationships. Yet it requires your unwavering conviction in your own worthiness and potential. Let's talk about the significance of sleep itself. Beyond its physiological benefits, sleep is a potent time for mental and emotional rejuvenation. A lack of sleep can leave you feeling drained, irritable, and even depressed, while ample rest revitalizes your spirit. Imagine harnessing this power by infusing your bedtime routine with positive affirmations and uplifting visualizations. As you drift off into slumber, you sow the seeds of abundance and success in the fertile soil of your subconscious, setting the stage for a brighter tomorrow. Have you ever had a dream that felt like it offered you guidance or a sudden moment of clarity? These experiences highlight the incredible power of our subconscious mind, which remains active even when we're asleep. Just before we drift off to sleep, our minds are particularly open and receptive. This makes it the perfect time to plant the seeds of our desires, whether they're aspirations for career success, personal growth or improved relationships. In our fast-paced modern lives, it's all too easy to become consumed by never-ending tasks and responsibilities. However, those precious moments before sleep provide a unique opportunity to escape the chaos of the day and visualize a more fulfilling future. By incorporating a simple practice of focused imagining or prayer into our nightly routine, we can begin to steer our lives towards the realization of our deepest dreams. This uncomplicated practice holds immense potential for transformation. By acknowledging the significance of this pre-sleep moment and embracing the power of our imagination and intentions, we can unlock our true potential. It's about recognizing the power within ourselves to shape our destinies and cultivate lives filled with purpose and ambition. This practice isn't just about wishful thinking. It's a proactive step towards aligning our thoughts and actions with our most heartfelt desires, setting the stage for tangible progress and fulfillment in our waking lives. Imagine the impact of consistently dedicating a few moments each night to reflect on our goals and aspirations before we sleep. Over time, this deliberate practice can become a powerful ritual, reinforcing our commitment to our dreams and instilling a sense of clarity and direction in our subconscious. As we tap into this reservoir of inner potential, we awaken to new possibilities and opportunities that propel us forward on our journey towards a more meaningful and rewarding existence. Neville Goddard and Jesus of Nazareth both emphasized the profound significance of not merely thinking, but also feeling one's desires. Their teachings underscored the notion that true manifestation involves not just positive thinking, but also imbuing those thoughts with the deep-seated belief that what one desires is already a reality. The concept is simple yet potent. Visualize your desires as vividly as if you were watching a movie playing out in your mind's eye. It's about summoning the sensations and emotions associated with having already attained your desires. This mental imagery isn't just a fleeting exercise, it's a practice that requires immersion and conviction. To put this into practice, Neville Goddard and Jesus of Nazareth suggest starting with a comprehensive list of your desires, regardless of their magnitude. This act of listing serves as a clarifying exercise, helping you discern what truly matters to you. Then, for each desire, engage in detailed visualization sessions. For instance, if your aspiration is to own a grand house, visualize yourself strolling through its expansive garden, basking in the sense of accomplishment and gratitude. These visualizations shouldn't be passive daydreams. Immerse yourself fully, adopting a first-person perspective and experiencing the scene with all your senses. This technique helps bridge the gap between your current reality and the future you envision, making your desires feel tangible and attainable. Dr. Joseph Murphy adds another layer to this practice with his recommendation of two powerful words, wealth and health. These words serve as focal points for your subconscious mind, reinforcing your aspirations and directing your thoughts towards your most cherished goals. By repeating these words as you drift into sleep, you establish a direct line of communication with your subconscious, priming it to work tirelessly towards manifesting your desires. Consistency is paramount in this practice. Making it a nightly ritual ensures that your subconscious remains aligned with your goals, gradually steering your actions and decisions towards their realization. Over time, you'll begin to notice subtle yet significant shifts in your mindset and circumstances, bringing you closer to the life you envision. Incorporating a brief reflection on your desires and plans for the next day before sleep further solidifies this practice. It fosters a sense of purpose and clarity, empowering you to approach each day with intentionality and focus. In essence, the teachings of Neville Goddard, Jesus of Nazareth, and Dr. Joseph Murphy converge on the power of visualization, belief, and consistency in manifesting your desires. By integrating these principles into your nightly routine, you embark on a transformative journey towards realizing your deepest aspirations. In conclusion, as we bid farewell to this insightful journey into the power of our subconscious mind, let's remember the profound impact of those two simple words, wealth and health. Through the wisdom of Joseph Murphy, Neville Goddard, and Jesus of Nazareth, we've uncovered the keys to unlocking our deepest desires and manifesting a life of abundance and fulfillment. As you embark on your nightly ritual of repeating these words, remember that you hold within you the power to shape your reality. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions with your aspirations, you pave the way for a future filled with limitless possibilities. So, as you drift off to sleep each night, envision the life you desire, feel the emotions as if your dreams are already fulfilled, and trust in the innate wisdom of your subconscious to guide you towards your goals. Now let's talk about something really cool. Have you ever wanted to attract money easily? Well, guess what? There are secrets out there that can help you do just that. Even a scientist from NASA has some surprising stuff to share. Click the link in the comments below to find out what they've discovered. It's mind-blowing stuff, and it could change your life starting today. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. May you awaken each day with renewed purpose and clarity as you continue to manifest the life of your dreams. Remember, the power lies within you. Good night, and may your dreams be filled with the promise of a brighter tomorrow.